Hi, I am Ashar, Project Manager, Polio Plus Committee, Rotary International. Polio is a virus and it is contacted from uh, children to children. It is contacted through the filthy environment where children get their hand with filth and then they touch it with the mouth. The virus transferred into the mouth and then it entered into the body. Yes, polio has been eradicated worldwide, but unfortunately, there are two countries are still endemic to polio. This is Afghanistan and Pakistan. Fortunately, Nigeria is recently being declared as a polio-free country in 2020. In Pakistan, most of the areas are in KB, and you can say in the tribal belt of the KB. In this year, more cases are from Bannu and Lucky Marwat, and lesser cases from Karachi, which was actually the polio reservoir. Likewise, in Balochistan, the tribal areas and the areas which are meeting with the Afghanistan boundary in Chaman, Qila Abdullah, having a lot of cases. If we will compare the cases year to year, we will see that in 2018 it became 12 cases. In 2019, in the last year, the cases rise up and they reach up to 147. In this year 2020, we are having 79 cases, which is also alarming because 2 months are left and we expect there more cases will come up. Awareness is very important because these polio cases are coming from the poor communities. We, the literate people, know everything, but the problem lies with the people who are illiterate, living in the slum areas, living in the tribal areas. They do not believe to give polio vaccination to their children. We have reduced this fear of religious apprehensions by virtue of continuous awareness at all levels, right from grassroots levels up to the parliamentarians levels, up to the chief executive level. So we are giving the awareness. So at any stage, yes, this is a battle against polio, and we all have to be together and then fight against polio at our own levels. For example, if we are living in the city areas, if we are living in a posh areas, then we have to motivate those people, those households who are not allowing their children to give polio vaccination due to various reasons. So we have to motivate them to get vaccination. And if we are working in an educational institution, we will have to spread this information to our students. So these students will become the change agent, and these change agent will bring the change. Since we are putting our all efforts, our all polio partners are doing well, we are expecting we will end polio very soon, inshallah, in the next year 2021, and we are this close to end polio.